Viral replication. When a phage, example, T phage, attacks a bacterium, it attaches itself to the bacterial cell wall using its tail fibers. It secretes enzymes which digest the bacterium cell walls. The tail contracts and pushes the viral DNA into the bacterium. The viral DNA inactivates the host DNA and takes control over the host cell. It then produces more viral DNA which later develop into new viruses which are having head and tail. The viral DNA obtains its nutrients from the bacterium. The new viruses secrete enzymes which break down the bacterial cell and the viruses are released. Each new virus produced can now attack a bacterium in the same way. Zoonosis. This is the transmission of viruses from animal to man. Example, yellow fever virus transmitted from monkeys to man. Viremia. This is the presence of virus in blood. A provirus infects and remains in a quiescent state for a long period of time. Instead of replicating the viral DNA, it inserts itself into the host DNA. This temperate state is called the provirus. Example, herpes virus. The virus may lose its benign nature and give rise to a crop of new viruses. Disease tends to reoccur even in the absence of reinfection. Some viral diseases. 1. Influenza. It is caused by a DNA virus known as the influenza virus. It attacks the respiratory system. It is transmitted by a droplet infection, that is sneezing and coughing. Prevention. By vaccination, proper sanitation, example, use of handkerchiefs. 2. Measles. It is caused by an RNA virus. It is an airborne disease that attacks mostly children. It is also spread by contact with infected people. The signs and symptoms include high fever, mouth and skin rashes, loss of appetite, and stomach disorders. Prevention is by vaccination, avoid infected people. 3. Poliomyelitis. It is caused by the poliovirus and it attacks the intestine, the blood, and the central nervous system. It causes paralysis in children. 4. AIDS, that is acquired immune deficiency syndrome. It is caused by an RNA virus called HIV, that is human immune deficiency virus. It can be transmitted by indiscriminate sexual contacts, the use of contaminated needles, blades, syringes, etc. By blood transfusion, contacts through wounds. It can also be from infected mother to the unborn child. The signs and symptoms include fever, on and off, drastic loss of weight, rashes on the body especially around the buttocks, white growth on the tongue, falling off of hair, etc. Prevention. Control of sexual behavior, example, avoiding sex when you are underage, use of clean and sterile hospital equipment, screening of blood before transfusion, public education, abstinence, that is, avoid sex completely. Economic importance of viruses. Viruses cause many types of diseases of plants and animals. Some of the diseases caused by viruses of plants include leaf mosaic of apple, cabbage, tomato, tobacco, etc. Yellow disease of carrots, sugar beets, and killing of affected tissues, that is necrosis, in potato and tomato. Diseases caused by viruses to animals include swine fever, fowl pest, common cold, measles, chickenpox, cancer, smallpox, rabies, AIDS, etc. Bacteriophages help to destroy harmful bacteria in the course of using them to replicate. They are used in the production of vaccines. They are important in biological research.